Hey everyone, today I'm going to be testing out some Geeetech Gray PETG. The bag is always nice. It's got a nice vacuum seal still. Rolled on there pretty well. Definitely nicely spooled on here. Alright, let's go ahead and check the dimensional tolerance of a meter or two and see how that looks. All right, those tolerances are pretty good, within 0.02 on all of those lengths. Have some nice, good, consistent extrusions as long as it's not wet, and we'll see how the test print goes with that. All right, time to check out some test prints. All right, here are some sample prints from the Geeetech Gray PETG. Came out pretty good. Don't see any noticeable signs that the diameter of the filament changed throughout printing. Seemed like it was pretty consistent all throughout. Definitely nice and smooth, a lot smoother than some other PETGs I've tried. Printed really well on the vertical surfaces as well. Seam was nice with the retraction settings they use of 45 millimeters per second with 6 millimeters of retraction. I think it could go down even more as well. Yeah, definitely be using this spool up for some various prints. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more filament reviews or Ender 3 related videos. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.